And let's now talk business. Standard gauge railway passenger services will have to operate at full capacity to make much needed revenues. According to Kenya Railways, it is still uncertain when the service will resume. But one thing is for sure, that it will be below capacity due to measures introduced to curb the spread of coronavirus. Brenda Kerubo with the details.
It is almost 2 months since the SGR passenger services were suspended, grinding revenues to a halt.
We have been moving around 7,000 people per day across Mombasa and Nairobi, 2 pairs of trains. The impact in terms of what we are losing is enormous because the monies that we collect during the movement of passengers is not being corrected.
As revenues dip, Kenya Railways has ruled out an increase in ticket fares when the services resume. This despite a potential reduction in passenger numbers inside the train, occasioned by social distancing measures.
What we wish is, once the COVID-19 is lifted substantially, then we'll have a way to make sure that, and the government helps us to have a way on how we can have our passengers really taking care of themselves. And then having the normal city arrangement resume. That is the only way we can recoup our money in terms of our operational costs. But for now, whether we move to Mombasa when we are 60% full, then at least 40% is not there. Those seats are empty. So that's a loss.
According to a National Assembly's Budget and Appropriations Committee statement, Kenya Railways has not paid about 38 billion shillings to Africa's Star Railway Operation Company Limited. That is the Chinese company contracted to operate the trains. Kenya Railways Managing Director says the matter is being addressed.
That relationship that we have, it has been there, and we are on it, and we have no issues with the operator in terms of any issue. And that is why even the operator himself can confirm that we have that kind of relationship. And the things that are being raised are things that have been addressed.
For now, Kenya Railways is waiting for official communication to resume services. It has, however, started implementing key measures.
We have equipment to test temperatures. We have equipment to look at security and also make sure that the interaction between the passengers is well done. The city arrangements in our waiting rooms are